Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go ahead and begin. Can I still contact the SSA for my disability benefits during the coronavirus pandemic? Absolutely. But don't call the 800 number because they have limited access. And when I say limited access, it's just pitiful. So you pretty much can't do anything for the most part in relation to status updates or submissions with the 800 number for them to check. So you're going to have to call the local filing office. If you're not sure which local filing office you have, then basically you're going to have to go ahead and contact or just go online. And what you're going to do is you're going to look up, hold on, my doggies, Shadow, stop doing that. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to type into Google SSA local field office finder zip code. And then it'll pop up a thing, you enter your zip code, and then you should be good to go. Shadow, stop. You're fine. So with that said, that's if you need information from the local field office. If you need information from DDS, you're going to go ahead and just call the general DDS phone number. And if you're wondering what that is, just shoot me a text, that's fine. And then if you don't have the extension, you'll just dial £0, and DDS will be able to tell you what's going on. If you need to contact your local hearing office, you can Google that as well. There's not nearly as many of those as there are when it comes to field offices. Your local hearing office, like for example, in the Orlando area is, Lake Linda Drive, which is right next to UCF, which is right up University. If you have a question about your upcoming hearing or something you received or whatever, ask your attorney. Or if you don't have an attorney, call that office. Okay. So can I still contact the SSA for my disability? Yes, you can contact them by fax. You can contact them by mail. You can contact them by interacting with them if you are a really serious claim and have a special unique thing in person. Otherwise, they're not seeing in-person claims. And then if you're like us, email's an option too, but that's special. So there you go. Can I still contact the SSA for disability? Something you need to consider is that things are taking a little bit longer in the mail. Things are also taking a little bit longer for people to respond. So everybody's kind of still getting used to everything. It is only early May. April, this all kind of became a thing, so we'll see how things evolve. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you would like the most up-to-date information or a custom video made about a particular topic, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call. I did make a giant 300 video list that still has a bunch of categories I need to add things to that you can basically go ahead and watch once I complete them. Tonight, since it's already like 11 o'clock, and we've already done a bunch of videos, I'm going to try and do about another 20 videos, and then from there we'll go ahead and call it a day. All right, have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much. I'm Attorney Walter Hnot, and we'll go from there. Bye-bye.